Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Kids, first we use black color and now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Kids, now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now we draw 6. S-I-X, 6. And the next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The next one is 8. And now we draw 9. The next one is 10. Kids, now we draw the number of 11. And the next one is 12. Now we draw the number of 13. And the next one is 14. Now we draw the number of 15. The next one is 16. The number of 16. Kids, now we draw 17. And the next one is 18. Now we draw 19. And the next one is 20. The number of 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching.